Yoga therapy is a type of therapy that draws on yoga exercises, practices, and philosophies to improve mental and physical health. While the practice of yoga is commonly associated with stress relief, yoga therapy can be helpful in the treatment of several other mental health conditions as well. Yoga is all about posture, mindfulness, movement, focus, breath, and rest. According to Ayurveda, in order to create, stimulate, and maintain an optimum state of physical, emotional, mental and spiritual health. According to Romanoff, yoga therapy can involve several techniques, such as yoga postures, breathing exercises, meditation, relaxation exercises. Yoga therapy can support in reducing or managing symptoms, improving function, and improve our overall outlook in relation to health conditions such as asthma, scoliosis, diabetes, insomnia, anxiety, hypertension, digestive issues, arthritis. Yoga therapy also helps in eliminating, reducing, and managing symptoms that cause suffering, helping to prevent the occurrence or reoccurrence of underlying causes of illness, moving toward improved health and well-being. Yoga therapy can be helpful in the treatment of mental health conditions such as alcohol dependence, anxiety and panic disorders, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, bipolar disorder, depression, insomnia, post-traumatic stress disorder, schizophrenia, substance abuse. In addition, yoga therapy can be particularly effective for treating body-focused conditions caused due to chronic pain, stress, or trauma that has been stored in the body and manifests through anxiety or depression-related symptoms, says Romanoff.